nautical miles until 1:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:09 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms were located along the line extending from 29 nautical miles south of Buckeye Reef to 68 nautical miles west of Indian Rocks Beach, moving northeast at 40 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly high waves, frequent lightning, and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Strong thunderstorms will remain over mainly open waters. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Your coastal waters forecast for the The National Weather Service in Ruskin has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Tarpon Springs to Swanee River, Florida, out 20 nautical miles. Waters from Tarpon Springs to Swanee River, Florida, out 20 to 60 nautical miles until 1:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:55 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms were located 7 nautical miles south of Swanee River, moving east at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly high waves, frequent lightning, and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Locations impacted include Azello, Cedar Key, Yankee Town, and Crystal River. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Your coastal waters forecast. The National Weather Service in Ruskin has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Englewood to Tarpon Springs, Florida, out 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Tarpon Springs to Swanee River, Florida, out 20 nautical miles. Waters from Englewood to Tarpon Springs, Florida, out 20 to 60 nautical miles. Waters from Tarpon Springs to Swanee River, Florida, out 20 to 60 nautical miles until 1:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:17 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms were located 22 nautical miles northwest of Enclosed Key, moving east at 30 knots. Strong thunderstorms were located wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Northwest of Enclosed Key, moving east at 30 knots. Impact, expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly high waves, frequent lightning, and heavy downpours. Expect wind gusts. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Suddenly high waves. Locations impacted include Tornado Beach, Arapaca, Fort Ritchie, Enclosed Keys, Bayport, and Tarpon Springs. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Enclosed Key, Bayport, and Tarpon Springs. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Your coastal waters forecast for the KHB 32 listening area for the following marine locations. Coastal waters.